This is a full product review of fz150 shoe cleaner and conditioner kit. In this kit you get a shoe brush, 2 towels and the solution. Here are the ingredients and how to use. Feel free to pause if you'd like. These are the shoes that we're working with currently. They are Air Max Plus TNs, as we call them locally. They're called the Persian colorways. They could use a bit of a clean. First step is to remove the laces. I will be back when that is done. One shoe is done. We have just got the laces off. We are now going to apply the conditioner where the stained area is, but in this case we're just going to cover the whole shoe and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. We have just applied it quite liberally around the shoe. It is soaking in, might get a little bit more, but we'll see you back in 3 to 5 minutes. We have applied a bit more, but as time goes, those foam will go away. We'll see you back shortly. We're back, we're going to give it a little scrub down and we'll show you the results. After some light scrubbing, I think I can tell the difference. I mean, come on. I'm going to give this whole shoe a scrub down and we'll show you the results. When I see the foam, I'm in the zone. Alright, I had to bust out the torch for the comparison. What do you guys think? Does fz150 stand up? Do you think it's a good product? I think it is. I think it's well worth the money. Let me know if you want a place to go get it. I'll put a link in my bio. Just let me know. Cheers, guys.